Welcome to this beautifully renovated coastal home in the heart of one of Central Coast's most sought after suburbs. Just a hop, skip and a jump to local schools, shops and also Tuggerah Lake. Plus just a short drive to some of the coast's finest beaches. There really is nothing left to do here, just turn up, turn the key and move in. I'm Paul Hills from the agency and I have absolute pleasure in welcoming you to number 18 Platypus Road in Berkeley Vale. As you can see, this really is a stunning home with the added benefit of plans being drawn up for a 2-bedroom granny flat. Give me a call for your private inspection, otherwise I'll look forward to seeing you at the next open home.